Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today's signal is going to be on AUDUSD, and without any more time to waste, let's go to our calendar and see what do we have. Okay, let me find it for you. Here we go. Today the buying side in this currency is much more stronger than the seller side. And the overall news are showing that the market is going to have a bullish upward movement in future days, and based on the news that are going to happen in the future days, we can see that most of the news are going to move the price to the upside. But this is not enough. The thing that we have to do is to always go on the chart and see what do we have there. Okay, so as you can see, we are now on AUDUSD on 4-hour time frame, and we are going to analyze the chart to find our buy signal. Let's use our Fibonacci tool so we can find the place that the price has retraced to. So as you can see, the price is in the area of 0.5 and 0.38 on Fibonacci and has retraced and reacted to this level. So this means that there is a pressure of buyers on this level, so we can focus on it and give our signal. Let me draw it for you. Okay, so now that we have our level, we have to find our stop loss, which is going to be here. And for finding TPs, we are seeing now that the market has broken this level before, went up and retraced back to the level again, and it's currently reacting to this level. So we have to find a higher TP, because the market has already taken these highs, so these don't have any power anymore. So we have to go to the past so we can find new TPs. The previous movement to the downside in the market was here, and this is also taken like this one. So the previous one will be here. I see a really strong resistance right in the way of price here. So what I see from this now, that the price is in a good area, but it's as always up to you when to trade. If you want to wait a little bit more, see the price come up a little bit, retrace back, and then you can enter, or you can enter now. It's up to you. But as always, sit tight and enjoy so I can draw it for you a little bit more clear. Okay, so now that we have this beautiful setup, I hope you have enjoyed this one, and at the end I just wanted to say, holding on to your dreams and holding on to yourself are the same thing, because you are your dreams. So hold on to them. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Peace.